and welcome to your monthly predictions. We are going to talk about how month of March is going to be for you. The video is quite early in the month so that you get time to figure out things, clear the things, and then get the complete benefit out of the month. And also the February videos are already there. So February predictions are in the playlist February predictions, and the Hindi videos are in the playlist February Rashifal. So you can watch those videos and you can see how the month is going, what is resonating with you, what is not resonating with you, and I can share your feedback as well. So now for the month of March already starting with the Justice card, so it feels like there is a lot that is happening which is going to be just for you, which is going to be taking you on your path. There is Justice, there is Wheel of Fortune, there is Hierophant, there is Judgment. So the cards are pretty strong and they are saying that finally, one, it feels like you're going to get onto your soul path. Second, you are going to be connected with your intuition. Third, there are some heart healing that is going to happen. So some issues that you've been ignoring might come up and you might just end up healing those issues. The only thing, and some decisions will be made where you get some reward and recognition and you get some power. Now, while all of this is happening, one thing that I would want to tell you is this month you have to ensure that you are not totally into your energy of your zodiac sign, which means the Taurus energy is an energy where you like to tell people what to do. You like to kind of share your experiences, your practical knowledge with people and guide them. And that is what is coming at a no space in this month, which means that this month you have to give a listening ear to people. You have to ensure that you are not the one who is speaking always. You will have to ensure that you are not the one who's kind of guiding people always or kind of leading them always, but you take them along, so we work like a team. And second, that you give some attention to your intuition. It is very important for you. Listen to your intuition, listen to your inner voice, and listen to the voices that are around you, because it feels like some things are going to come to you, and if you pay attention to those, there is a big change that you can bring into your life in this month. If we start from your health, the first thing that I notice is the heart. So it is very important to take care of your heart health. Take care of your diet. It is again going to be important. And also take care of that you are not thinking a lot. Like it's not that you're continuously thinking about things. There is some kind of rest that will be needed for you. And there are some new things that might come up which you need to kind of address in your health area. Though these can be just pains in legs or limbs or otherwise problem with a lot of sitting maybe. But there is nothing major that I see. But having said that, there is one thing, because there is Judgment and there is 3 of Swords and there is 4 of Swords all together in the reading. It feels like there could be that some of you might just need a kind of surgery, and that could be like related to heart. But not necessarily you'll have to undergo it if you kind of take care of your diet well and if you take care of your rest well and thoughts well. Second, if you need to undergo it, it is going to be successful because there's a card of Judgment. So it is going to work out in your favor. So you don't have to be worried from that perspective. For your mental health, it feels like everything is okay. But the only thing is, don't be too dominating this month. That's the only thing that you need to take care of. If we talk about your wealth or money, I don't see even a single pentacle card this month. Having said that, it doesn't mean that you will not have money flowing this month, because there is Justice, there is Wheel of Fortune, there is 6 of Wands, there is Judgment, Queen of Wands, King of Wands. It's not that the money will not be flowing. Definitely the money flow will be there, but you need to be more careful with your budgeting. Second, you need to be careful about where you are spending your money, who you are giving your money. And third, maybe money is not going to be the driving force this month. So that is why I can't see a lot of like any pentacle card this month. But from the way your cards are, it's not that you're going to get into any trouble with regards to money. Maybe this month the focus is going to be more on what your soul path, what your life lesson is. And somewhere karma is going to be playing an important role, because there's Justice, there's Wheel of Fortune, and karma for me is not exactly how it is kind of said to be. So I already have a video on a channel that can explain you what karma is when I'm talking about karma. So you can watch that video. I'll add the link here in the description box. But karma is definitely at play, and you're going to see your life changing. So there are going to be some things, some announcements, some movements that is going to change your life. If there is anything legal that you've been waiting to happen, any case, any decision, it feels like decision or some kind of guidance with regards to decision is going to come, and there's a victory card, so it's going to be in your favor. If we talk about your love or relationships, this is the month where you need to focus on your energies. You have to be a team player. You have to take care of the emotions of yourself and others in your life. It feels there's a king of wands, there is a queen of wands. Partnership is there, but they are equally powerful. And that is why if you get into this zone of energy where you want the other person to listen to you only, that zone is not going to work. That energy is not going to work. Three of Swords, I kind of see some burden on the heart. Some emotional issues might come up, but you have the ability to handle them. If you listen to the other person, if you be a little thoughtful about it, and if you actually give attention or kind of think or believe in your intuition, listen to your inner voice, you're going to get solutions. And if there is any legal case that you've been undergoing with regards to relationships, there is a decision that is going to happen, and finally the whole thing going to be solved. And when it is solved, the cards are positive for you, so you don't have to be worried about it. Also, this month you have to be a little aware of third party situations, which means that if there is any kind of differences, any kind of problems or situations that are happening between two of you, and two of you doesn't mean that only life partners, siblings, parent, child, any kind of relationship. If there is any problem that is happening between any two of you, sort it between yourselves. Don't indulge or involve the third person. The involvement of third person will create more trouble. It will actually increase the problem. But if you sort it between yourself, things are going to work out fine. Otherwise, I don't see much. If your relationship is going fine, absolutely fine, it is going to be even better. And just know that the energy of the other person is equally as your energy. They are equally strong, and that is why you need to kind of give them that space in your life. And when you do that, things are going to work out. For new relationships, yes, the cards are positive. There is going to be a new relationship. If you've been heartbroken, you might find some change and you might find somebody new in your life. For baby birth, the cards are absolutely positive, so pregnancy is possible. Baby birth is also possible. The only thing that I will suggest is it is important to kind of listen to the doctor, listen to the guidance, and follow the guidance. If you talk about your job or career, now with Justice, Wheel of Fortune, Six of Wands, Judgment, Queen of Wands, King of Wands, I kind of feel that the cards are pretty positive for your career growth. It feels like in the beginning of the month, there could be some kind of decision, some kind of opportunity that might come your way. Now, two things that I feel. One could be that the opportunity that comes is not exactly how you thought it would be, and that might be kind of be a burden on your heart or a thing that you will think about. Second, there's a possibility that the opportunity is exactly what you prayed for, like in the past. So you thought that, okay, I want to work with this organization, and suddenly an opportunity from the same organization comes to you. At times, the happy news is also bring burden to the heart because we suddenly are not able to accept it. So there is something like that can happen, and if that happens, it's a victory for you. It's something that the universe is giving you. Accept it, move forward, because I kind of feel there is growth, there is authority, there is power that is coming your way. The only thing is this month, be careful that you listen to the other person equally and you listen to your intuition equally and give wise advice. So it is very important to kind of be wise and use your wisdom this month. Very, very important. If you talk about your business, again, I see a growth in business. I see new opportunities coming in business and some kind of public support or support of people coming in your life from business. If you are into a partnership, and if you're already into a partnership, then ensure that you're not becoming too dominating, or the other person is not becoming too dominating, and avoid three-way partnership this month. So if you are going to get into a partnership where you're involving a third partner in your business, avoid that this month. Because it feels like three people are not going to be very, very beneficial for how things are moving for you. Two is okay, still fine. And this month you need to be a team player. So if you are working with the team or you're working alone, but you need to be a part of a team, be part of the team. Accept that. If we talk about your soul growth, intuition is a big thing that I see this month, because Page of Cups is in the center and Queen of Wands is also sitting there up on the top, and there is Judgment card as well. So I kind of feel from all of this that this month intuition is going to be there and you need to accept your intuition. So the only problem with you as a sign is that you are very, very practical, or you're into that zone of, okay, what is the practical thing about it? Or I know this, I know how to move about this. And at times, to listen to your intuition, you have to come out of that zone. So yes, believe in yourself, but at the same time, if you can let go of any resistance that you have or any pushing that you're doing to kind of have your angels in your life, have your guides in your life, any extremes that you're going, balance yourself. Balance yourself and just listen to that inner voice inside you. You will actually develop intuition this month, and it's very, very strongly coming across on your cards. If you talk about chakra of the month for you is sacral chakra. Sacral chakra is located 2 fingers below the navel. The mantra for sacral chakra is VAM, V-A-M, VAM. So you can chant it like VAM. So this month, do this chanting. It's going to help you immensely. One, this will help you manifest. Second, it will help you kind of be comfortable with your emotions, because that's there. It's going to help you connect with your intuition. It is going to help you ground your energies and balance this part of yours, which at times becomes too dominating. And if you do that, there is a card of judgment, there is a new beginning, there is some major announcements that are coming towards you, and they are going to be good for you. If we talk about mental exercise of the month, the card is Angel of Love, and that is why it is very important to be loving to yourself and to others. So it is equally important to nurture yourself, and it is equally important to nurture others in your life. The affirmation of the month for you is going to be, I love and value myself without limitation and condition. Tender, loving treatment comes to me in wonderful and unexpected ways, and I give the same treatment to the world around me. And if you do this affirmation, I'm sure it is going to sort quite a lot with that's there, or that could be problematic, because ideally your cards are very positive. Only emotions is something, or heart healing is something that is coming across very strongly. If you talk about number of the month is going to be number 11 or 2. Color of the month, any shade of orange or red is going to be good for you. Now if we talk about what is your surrender message of the month, the card is surrender to your intuition. Tune into your inner voice. Be aware of any gut feeling that you have, flashes, knowings or aha moments that come through to guide you. And that is what is very important this month for you, because it is very important for you to connect with your intuition. I feel that if you become very strongly not connected with your intuition and get into that zone that I know everything, you might miss a few things this month. So be very connected with your intuition and listen to everything that is happening around you. The unicorn message for you this month is Mother Mary. Mother Mary and unicorns are blessing you. So there are a lot of blessings around you. There are a lot of positive things that are coming across. There is a lot of positivity, and there is a lot of good messages or power that is coming across. Make best use of it. This month I have also added an animal card, and the card for you is Tiger. It says accept your magnificence, and I'm going to kind of read this card out to you. That will make more sense. This card comes to remind you that you are a unique and magnificent person. So accept this. It asks you to tune physically and psychically into a situation or relationship that is troubling you. Trust your inner knowing to present you with the answers you are seeking. Then listen to your wisdom, as this will reveal to you how to handle the person or circumstance for highest good of all. Tiger energy tells you to be prepared to act decisively with strength and power. However, you may not even need to take action, because when you have a tiger in your energy field, other people sense it and respond with respect. The tiger card also advises you to expand your horizons, develop something new in your life, which you can learn to enjoy. So this is why you don't have to be into this energy or this zone this month, because it will already come across, and the more open you are to receive, the more open you are to your wisdom, to your intuition, the better the situations will get for this month for you. What will happen if you follow the guidance of the cards? The angel message. The angel message of the month says leap of faith. It says believe in yourself, listen to your heart, do what gives you joy. And that is why. See, the dog is along, so you need to be very, very comforting for the dog, because you give that nurturing and care. You listen to the needs of the dog. So that is why you kind of need to be there for other people, listening to them, tuning into them, and take leap of faith. Move forward in life. Because this month, some things that are coming, the intuition that is coming, it is actually very strong, and there is a big change, because Wheel of Fortune is there and Judgment. There's a big change. 10 and 20 both are there. So there's a big change that is happening. You're moving from one step to kind of a big step ahead, and that is why this month take the leap of faith. If you like the video, please share the video with everyone that you can. And if you want to know more than this, you can kind of send me a message through Facebook link that is in the description box or through the comment section. You just have to write that I want my reading, and I will share my number and will take it forward. So let's see what is the life card for you. Okay, so there is Seven of Pentacles. Seven of Pentacles is a card of patience, is a card of unexpected things coming your way. It's a card where whatever you've done in the past is going to now, is actually giving you results. So there is fruit that is coming your way. And that is why this is the card which says that actually now a lot of things are going to come your way, and you already had intuition. Just be patient. Just let these things unfold in a way that they are meant to unfold. And when you do that, there is abundance. And amazing, there is a pentacle card that is there. And so the money will not be problem at all. And absolutely you need to be patient. And there are some hidden blessings that are coming your way. You just have to believe in them, believe in your intuition, and move forward. Also, my channel have a lot of videos about if you want to learn tarot, if you want to understand your soul, if you want to understand self-love, or a lot of other things. And I'm going to come up with a video about soul journey also. Now in between 2 to 3 days, I'm going to do that video as well. So when you get time, please watch those videos. They can help you, and they are meant to help you. Share your feedback. You can watch the February predictions, share your feedback. You can watch these predictions, share your feedback. It is very important. Share the videos with everyone that you can. Subscribe the channel if you haven't liked the video. If you can press the like button, it will make videos searchable. And the only intention of my channel is to help people. So as much as you can spread these videos, it will be very helpful. Thank you so much. I'll see you with the next month's prediction. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye. Thank you.